what happened was is that I actually got called during the disinfection kind of wave where, you know, everything was closing down. Uh, People were trying to figure out how can they open up quickly, how can they kind of fight this pandemic that's going on and still stay in business. So I had gotten a call from a pastor of a church, and this church was in the next town over, and it was, you know, not far, less than an hour. Well, it was about an hour from me. So what happened was is that I went there, and I had already done my research. I was already researching disinfection services. I was researching the procedures, the processes that other people was using, and I was trying to formulate it to make it make sense and to also be able to educate anybody that was going to be my client or my customer. The one thing that you want to make sure that you're doing, even if you don't actually get the account or get the job or whatever, you want to make sure that you are actually educating the people in what they need and what they don't need, as opposed to just trying to get the money from them. Because what happens is, in the end, they remember that you were actually not somebody that was there to just try to get money, but you were trying to solve their pain points and make life a little bit easier for them. Is